Good morning, Krishna. Smiley, smiley, babu. Petu, petu, dikhaviye. This is favorite. Hello. Easy. Windu babu. No, no. This is the best time I get in the day. Super stress buster. Amazing. Long day today. Very long. Stay. Look at this guy. Sweeto. Resting. My uncle has come. He got us prasad from Ayodhya Ram Temple. Discussion happening. Hello. Hey. Vishnu. Time to head out for work. I have to go to Nelmangla today. I have to deliver few items there and then come back.
Not disappoint.
Butterfruit. Cheers, guys. What are you having?
Mango shake.
How is it?
It's good.
Good? Liked it? Nice. Show that. This is one of the tallest residential complexes in Bengaluru. It's called Mantri Pinnacle. Just right behind Royal Meenakshi Mall. We'll be going to the mall later. That is Meenakshi Mall there, if you can see behind the trees. Before that, I'm heading to Nelamangala to give a few things to my clients and then come back. Day is packed. शाम को अभिजीत के घर जाना है तो उसमें उसका हाउस वार्मिंग सो कॉल्ड हाउस वार्मिंग पार्टी एंड मिस्टर Jackie's birthday today. Happy birthday, Jackie, aka Vijay HB. I know you're watching this. Happy birthday from my side. Stay blessed, stay happy always. On the nice road, Bengaluru, heading towards Tumkur Road. Shockingly, there was no traffic today on Banarghata Road. And I just said that, and nice road is almost having lots of traffic, but manageable. So, lovely, lovely weather to ride. I'm missing riding. So-called greenery around. Why I'm saying so-called, I think I have to stop saying all this. Anyways, lovely, lovely drive, maintaining the speed limit. Into a mall after ages, Royal Meenakshi Mall. कहाँ जाना है भाई? Okay. Into the mall. Looks very empty today. I don't know. Hardly any people. Was it a long weekend of any sorts, or what? I don't know. Can't see anyone today. Entering Shoppers Stop to buy few things. If I have to buy a gift also. This is how I look today. I had to dress up a little. I had to go to coffee days. Finally decided with Punjab Grill. I'll show you what all we ordered. I didn't want to have burger again, you know, it's all junk any which ways, but yeah, this is the food court. It's like super shocking today that there's hardly anybody in the mall. Even the food court is empty.
Weekday ना बाबू. Friday.
Oh, it's
पूरा 4-5 बजे से पार्टी होनी शुरू.
Oh, it's nice to be out on a weekday.
Oh God, sorry.
Golgappa. Yummy, yummy dal makhani with naan is another combo. Finished melting one. Nimbu masala with this. This is dahi aloo tikki. Done with the mall. Heading home now. Need to rest. Still sleepy. Have to go to Mr. Abhijit's house later for a small get together. I'll talk to you guys. Keep it posted. Woke up now. Had a nice nap. So to go for a walk before that, one chai. and then head to Abhijit's place. He wanted grilled chicken, so when you don't get it that side, good ones. You have to go take it from here and then go. Right, have to go for a walk in a bit. See you. No compromise on workout. These are the amazing things I got from the mall today when we had gone. So this is, I'm sure everybody will know what this is. Fatafat, like we call it. It's that sweetish thing which you can, more than childhood memories. This is some sort of a beautiful mouth freshener again. Which is again in the mall. Near the food court you find this Dilkush Mukwas. And this was the best, man. Imli ki Goli. So good. It just brings back all the childhood memories. You get these in, I think he said Gopalan Mall, Royal Meenakshi Mall. So trust me, it's a must buy. Each of this is what, 200 grams minimum. You have to say, you have to pay it 180. For 200 grams of this, again it is around 180. For again 200 grams of this Imli ki Goli is around 180. So he gave it for 200 each. Worth it. Gets all your childhood memories back. Amazing time pass also. And he's given at least 6 months guarantee for shelf life. So must try, guys. Baby sleeping. Papa having chai. Having chai, have to have now. Walk started. This is where I walk. Entire thing. Do around 8 to 10 kilometers here. So finally in the cab, heading to Mr. Abhijit's house. That's somewhere near Yamlur. This is near Silk Board. So ETA is another 32 minutes as of now. So yeah. Finally reached the place. Searching now for the block. As always, funny Abhijit. Hello guys. Forgot to wish you World Motorcycle Day today. Happy World Motorcycle Day. Love you all.